Now we are ready to check out the Genera Web3 game, but there is something really important that you have to pay extreme attention to. You cannot use your basic browser to go to the Genera game when you are from the mobile. That wouldn't work. And this is because in mobile, the Chrome browser does not accept extensions, unlike the browser, the desktop version. So, for this exact purpose, MetaMask provides us with its own browser. It's this icon down here. By pressing it, allows us to Web3 applications. You simply have to provide the URL that you got from the email. This one. And voila. Here it is. Let's start by connecting our wallet. And also, right here, you can see the steps we have to do to complete. Actually, if we want to play the game, we have to install MetaMask. We have done that. It's a check mark. We have to connect to the page. We're about to do it. And finally, we have to select the Genera network. So let's go step 2 and connect the wallet to the page. Perfect. Connect. Account 1 connected and active. Perfect. Now there is the last step. Select the Genera network. As you can see, the button changed. So by simply clicking it, a new pop-up appears and tells us if we want to switch to the Genera network. We want to switch. Perfect. Now the UI updated once more, and now the only thing we have to do is to create a new player by just clicking this new player button. Okay, now as you can see, first we have to insert a player name, an alias, nothing more. Afterwards, the wallet address, which is filled automatically, as you can see. And it's on read-only also, because you can edit it. Okay, I'm clicking on it, I can move it, I can do nothing. But if I go really fast and create a new account, like so, add a new account, perfect. And now go back to my browser, and I actually want to use that second account, so I have to press here connect more accounts. I'm gonna connect my second one I just created. As you saw, the address changed. Let's test it. It's 8b3. Okay, I'm gonna choose the first account, so it from 8b3 it should go to 2ec, and it did. So this works. Now for the name, let's say mobile testing 001. Okay, symbols are not permitted. Okay, I will try to add a $sign. I'm pressing, nothing happens. Okay, but you can use spaces as separators. Okay, now let's create our new player using the create player button. Checking your ETH balance. We will send you 0.5 ETH if your balance is sufficient, it said. Okay, so our account has been created, we can log in to start playing. And the awesome thing about Web3, you don't even need to remember username and passwords. Just by using your wallet, you can log in and start playing. So let's do just that. Log in with wallet. We will have to sign this message to prove that we are the true owners of this wallet. So click sign. Your signature is valid, welcome. And we are officially inside the game, as you can see. Okay, as probably you are a beta tester, so I'm gonna give you a very quick tour, but the rest is up to you. Go and experiment. So here, down here, this is your main menu, you can think of it. If you press this first icon, you go to the leaderboard. By pressing this go back, you can go back to this map. The next icon is the maps, basically, where you can choose between these three. However, this one, the energy map, is gonna be decapricated. So the only two options are the town map that we are currently in and the world map. Let's take a quick look at that. As you can see, it's just a map, a literal map of the Mediterranean Sea, and it currently doesn't have a lot of functionality, but I have designed most of it. However, I have to implement it with code. In future updates, it will have a lot more things are going to be going on here. So let's head back to the town map and check out the third icon. The third icon is our inventory, which currently is empty. We have not created any cards yet. We will create one later. After that is the marketplace. Okay, if you click it, you go to the marketplace where you can buy or sell cards. Okay, you can test it out on your own. And finally we have the crafting, where we can create a building card, a renewable energy generator, or a special effect. Let's create a building card. We have this cyber texture. Just to know that I'm working on the game assets, a lot of the things here are going to be improved. Okay, let's craft the card. We will have to confirm 2 transactions, which we did with one click. The first one creates an NFT representation of the card in the blockchain, and the second one awards the current user you basically with some MGS tokens, which are tokens that the GENERA platform uses to award its users. I have dedicated videos on that aspect, and pretty much that's it. Now if we go to our inventory, we can see our newly crafted card, and because of its background I understand that it's of rare type. If we go to mythic, legendary and all the others, the card gets filtered out. If we click on it, we have a few options. You can play around with the sell and level up. I'm gonna show you the activate. Oh, we have a message. Oh, I didn't have a lot of time to read that. Let's see it again. Insufficient energy. You need more energy to activate the cyber textured card for this region. Okay, so we need some energy. How can we create some energy? We can do that by creating renewable energy generator card. Okay, all right. Okay, it seems it bugged for a little bit, but going back and forth it fixed it. Let's craft a card. Again, the 2 transactions. There are actually 2. I don't know why it doesn't show it very clearly, but okay, let's confirm. Perfect. Now we should have 2 cards here, both rare. Okay. Transaction to complete. Okay, let's activate it. Here it's our renewable, our winter bind. We can see here that this 87.5 is the energy that it's producing. So now we should be able to activate this cyberstone. Perfect. And yes, it works fine. Okay, and go play around with all of that. Bye.